This video will demonstrate how a ping pong ball is kept hovering in the middle of a tube using a distance sensor, fan, and microcontroller. The distance sensor measures the distance between it and the ping pong ball and transmits that distance to the microcontroller. The fan, whose speed is either increased or decreased in order to raise or lower the ping pong ball, is controlled by the microcontroller. The ATmega32 microcontroller reads the distance from the distance sensor and determines whether the fan speed needs to be increased or decreased in order to keep the ball in the center of the tube. As you can see, the ball rests in the middle of the tube right now. If I obstruct the airflow at the top of the tube in order to manually lower the ping pong ball to the bottom of the tube, once the obstruction is removed, the distance from the distance sensor is transmitted to the microcontroller, which will then increase the fan speed in order to bring the ping pong ball back to the center of the tube. If I press a button in order to push the ball to the top of the tube, once the button is released, the distance from the distance sensor is transmitted to the microcontroller, which will then decrease the fan speed in order to lower the ball back to the center of the tube, where it will remain steady.